Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Long time no see, Maika D here, and I am going to be filming this really kind of glam, grungy-esque, I can wear this to work and I'm about to because I have to leave in 7 minutes for work kind of look. So thank you Kristen Dominique for inspiring me to do a 90s look. She did a 90s versus 2018 like half and half kind of look, and it was really like, it inspired me to go ahead and do like a kind of like a grungy look, like a berry brown kind of look. So here this is, and if you guys want to go ahead and continue and see how I got this look, just keep watching. Okay, now first I'm gonna go ahead and start off with primer. Today I'm going to be using a mixture of two NYX primers. I'm going to be using a combination of the NYX Angel Veil and the NYX Pore Filler primers. And now I'm going to go in with another concoction. I am going to go ahead and mix my two favorite foundations at the moment, which is going to be the Urban Decay Naked Skin and the NYX HD Total Control. Is it HD? No, just the NYX Total Control foundation. Now, because it is the winter time, the Urban Decay is a little too red on me. However, this foundation is too oily on me. So we're going to mix both of them so I can get me a little neutral, whilst, you know, still keep it matte. So how about that? Then we're gonna go ahead. Alright, so for concealers, because we can never have too many concoctions and too many products on your face at once, I'm gonna go ahead and continue mixing, sticking with the Urban Decay NYX family, using the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer in the shade Chestnut, Hazelnut, Nutmeg, in the shade Nutmeg, and the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer in the shade Dark Warm. Alright, now to set the concealer, I'm going to go in with my Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder in the shade Medium Dark, or Deep, Medium Deep. And I'm just gonna go ahead and take my booty blender and just kind of like cake it on just a smidge. And then we're gonna do a little bit of reverse contouring because I don't like to contour my cheeks. I don't find it necessary. So I'm just gonna go a little bit just underneath where the contour would sit, just to, you know, make it look like I at least tried. And now I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade Dark. And I'm going to go ahead and sweep off everything. Alright, now for eyes, I am super excited for. Mainly because I was watching one of Kristen Dominique's videos just right before I started filming this. And I'm going to go ahead and link it down below. And she kind of did like a 90s versus 2018 kind of look, and I wanted to go ahead and just do like a full-on 90s look, mainly because I love the berry browns and I love how they look on me in particular. I can't really do a smoky eye with like black without really feeling like I've gone overboard, so I'm gonna go ahead and use a berry brown and call it a day with this chocolate skin. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this palette right here in my well-loved ColourPop Yes Please palette. It is in the shade Mischief, and I'm gonna go ahead and take this shade. Let me focus again. Hi. And I'm gonna go ahead and just like, and there's a lot of fallout, so please be careful. And I'm just literally gonna go ahead and put it in the crease. I'm actually going to go ahead and switch up the color because I kind of want the crease to be a little darker than the lid. So I'm going to go ahead and go into my Naked Basics palette from Urban Decay and go in with this shade right here, Lethal. And I'm going to go ahead and put that in the crease instead. Oh yeah, that's exactly what I wanted. Alright, and now with my Real Techniques brush, I'm gonna go ahead and go back into that Mischief color, back from the Urban Decay palette and the ColourPop palette, excuse me. And then we're just gonna pack this color on very heavily onto the brush and then place that all over the lid. This is a lot of, I brought this up a lot higher than I needed to. That's okay. And to brighten it up, I'm gonna go ahead and take my Too Faced La Palette palette, which as you can see has also been very, very well loved. I can't even see the color that I'm about to use. Yes, so I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this color with my finger, and then I am just gonna go ahead and, oh, that's a lot blacker than I remembered it. So we're not gonna do that.
How about that?
Alright, now for lashes, I'm gonna go in with, I don't know if you can see that. I'm gonna go in with these really wispy and flirty lashes. This is from the holiday collection, the Sephora X House of Lashes lash in the style Camille. And I initially bought these to replace my Everlasting lashes that I lost, or that were threw out. They're blurred out. Alright, now for blush, I'm going in with my all-time favorite blush, which is the, ooh, I'm gonna zoom you guys back out. My NARS blush in Seduction. Just a smidge. I remember I lived with my older cousin in the 90s, and she was in her late teens, early to mid 20s. I'm not 100% sure. But she she never really did highlighter, or, you know, I know the dark eye was always a thing. Lashes weren't really a thing for her either. So like I'm literally just like sweeping just a smidge of highlighter on, which is the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. And for lips, I'm gonna go with the Ultimate 90's lip, which is dark AF for no reason. So this is just like very light. And I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline lipstick in Divine Wine, which is kind of like my favorite neutral. I want to go for like a neutral look and I want something on the lip. This lipstick, it's queen. And it's like so creamy today just because it's been like in the sun, but I don't like how creamy that's looking. That's nicer than I expected. Much nicer. I'm going to go in with a little bit more night mauve, just like on the actual lip, because I do want it to be a little bit darker. And to finish off the entire look, I'm going to be using my Makeup Fixing Mist by Pixie. I always feel like I end up putting too much powders on, and this just does like a really great job of like make me not look ashy AF. So we're just gonna go ahead and shake it up. This is the one with rose water and green tea, and you must, and I cannot stress this enough, must shake on it, or else you're gonna have like really weird residue all over your skin. And you know, we don't want to waste all of this, right? You don't want to waste all that.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
So, and that is it for this look, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you want more makeup videos, or if you want more chatty videos about certain different types of, you know, millennial-esque topics, let me know in the comments down below. And do not forget to press that subscribe button, which is, I want to say it's right there. Don't forget to press that subscribe button, and look at all these cute little videos right over here. All these cute little videos by yours truly, Mayka D. Have a good one, guys. Bye.